Hello and welcome. Today we'll be making these poison bottle earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it. Roll out a ball of black clay into a cylinder shape and then flatten both ends. Make a second one. Be sure they're the same size. Begin pinching out one end of the clay. Do this by turning one side of the clay while pinching and pulling on the other end. Be sure the side you are pinching out has a flat tip and not a pointed tip. I do this by gently pressing that side against a flat surface. Take a tool and make an indentation. Take a ball of gold clay and roll it out into a wedge shape. And then put this pointed side into the hole that we've made into the black clay. Pre-poke your eye hook holes and then place them in. Use a needle tool and poke holes into the gold clay. The more holes you poke, the more it will look like a cord. To make the bottleneck thinner, gently roll it between two fingers. Take a ball of white clay and roll it into a long cylindrical shape. Then use a roller and roll it out flat. The thinner you can make it, the better. If you have a pasta machine, you're welcome to use that. Be sure to flip it over and roll the other side. This is how thin mine is. Trim it up and make it even by cutting off both sides and both ends. This will be the label for our bottle, so you can make it as wide as you would like. Place your bottle on a strip of white clay, roll it up, cut off any excess clay, and then make the two ends meet. If you're enjoying this video or finding anything useful in it, please subscribe to my channel. I do post videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Use the edge of your tissue blade to smooth out the two ends. Roll out a thin and thicker piece of black clay. Cut off 2 equal sections from the thin piece of black clay. Place them on top of each other, overlapping into an X shape. And then place this on the bottle. Position them how you want, and then pat them into place. On the thicker piece of black clay, cut off 8 equal sections. Cut off 8 equal sections. Roll each section into a little ball. Place 2 balls on the end of each X. Take a small ball of black clay and form it into the skull, with the pointed end being flat. Use your tissue blade and make 2 lines on the flat side of the clay for the teeth. Place this on the bottle above the crossbones. Use a needle tool and make 2 holes for the eyes. Bake your pieces. Glue in your eye hooks and resin. To assemble your earrings, all you'll need is a jump ring and an earring hook. And your poison bottles are complete. Hey, please check back tomorrow. I am posting 31 videos for the month of October in celebration of Halloween. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!